Hi students, in this video we are going to learn exercise number 9.1 question number 13. As observed from the top of the 75 meter lighthouse, so there is a lighthouse that height is 75 meters from the sea level. The angles of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. From the lighthouse they are looking into the two ships, one at 30 degree depression, the another one is 45 degree depression. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, so the same side we have to take two ships. So here let us take the ship 1, let us take the ship 2 here. From this lighthouse they are looking into the ships, so here and this one. Actually from here the observer, the angle of point of sight will be this only. So this is the angle he is using for the depression. Depression means this much angle he is looking down. This is given as 45 degree. So this is 45 degree means this is our sea level. So this is 45 means definitely here also it will be 45 degree only, because these two are alternate interior angles. For the next ship they have given us the angle of depression is only 30 degree. So here we have to take the 30 degree. This is called the depression of the angles. Now next line of the question. Find the distance between the two ships, that only they are asking. What is the distance between these 2 points they are asking? So let us take, this is A, B, C and D. So first we have to write it what we have mentioned. CD is our lighthouse and our A and B are points of the ships. No? So A and B are going to represent the ships. So like that shortly also you can write it. Here we have two triangles. One is BCD, the small triangle, another one is the big one, ACD. Both are having 90 degree here. So we can apply the trigonometrical ratios. So let us take the first triangle now. So we don't know what is the value for BC. Let us consider it's X. And we don't know what is the value for AB also. Let us take it as Y. Our aim is to find the Y value only, because what is the distance between the two ships only they are asking. We need to find the Y value alone. Now let's go to the problem. Let us take in first triangle. In triangle, this triangle name is BCD. So in BCD triangle, so this is the angle, opposite side is given, adjacent side they are asking. So we can go for a tan theta, because tan theta only is deal with opposite side and adjacent side. So tan theta is equal to opposite by adjacent, you write it. Now tan theta value given as 45 degree, which is equal to opposite side is 75, adjacent side is X. So tan 45 value 1, which is equal to 75 by X. This is from the table. Now the denominator X, take it to this side. X is equal to 75. The question is given in meter. So this is X is equal to 75 meter. So the distance between the first ship and the lighthouse is 75 meter again. Now our aim is to find the Y only. Now we'll take the whole triangle. Now in triangle name is ACD. The whole triangle we are taking now. In this ACD, again we are going to take the tan theta, but in the theta place we should take the 30 degree. Tan 30 degree. From the tan 30 degree, the opposite side is CD and our adjacent side is AC, the whole. Because the whole triangle we are taking, we have to write it AC. Now tan 30 value is 1 by root 3, which is equal to CD. CD is given as 75 by AC. AC is nothing but from A to C, X plus Y or Y plus X. Anything we can write. We have to write it in this way. After writing the X value, we have, so here we got the X value already. Let us substitute here. So before that we'll do the cross multiplication. Here we will be getting Y plus X is equal to 75 root 3. Now substitute in the X place our value 75. This is going to be substituted here. So now Y plus 75 is equal to 75 root 3 we are getting. Our aim is to find only the Y value. So the plus 75 taken it to other side, that will become minus 75. So both terms are having 75 as a common term. Take it outside. Now the remaining is root 3. Here the remaining is minus 1. That is a meter. So this is our Y. Y is nothing but AB. Otherwise the distance between the two ships, which is equal to 75 root 3 minus 1 meter. That is your correct solution. Distance between the ship is 75 root 3 minus 1 meter. Thank you students. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, subscribe our channel for more videos.